How to enable streak notifications on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Then, simply click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. In here, click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then, click on Settings and Privacy, which will lead you to this page. In here, scroll down and click on Notifications. After you click on Notifications, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Scroll down in Notifications and you will find Streaks. Simply click on Streaks to enable streak notifications. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to enable streak notifications on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.